Hello everyone. Instead of a step-by-step tutorial, this video will be more of a demonstration on the basics for the Type tool in Photoshop. The Type tool can be located in our toolbar on the left. If we click and hold the Type tool, we could see the varied options. We're going to use the horizontal Type tool for now. Our cursor now turns into a text entry symbol. Once we click on the artboard, it shows a blinking cursor indicating we can type. Now we have text. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good night! This text layer is like a normal layer, but is indicated by the T symbol. If we double-click on that T, we can select the text on the artboard. When the text is selected, you can see the options along the top. From left to right, there is the toggle for text orientation, allowing your text to be oriented horizontal or vertical. Your font list of system-provided fonts or downloaded fonts via the interwebs. Some fonts will have different font styles like bold, italic, thin, etc., but not all fonts have these options. Then there is the text resizing tool to make concise size choices to fit your needs. Here's the anti-aliasing tool, which controls the pixelation of the edges of your text. These are your basic alignment tools to either set your text to the left, center, or right. We will revisit this when we go over the paragraph text. Text color can be changed by activating the color picker. Once in the color picker, you can change the text to whatever color you want or sample within the work if you want to match colors. As you make changes to your text, they are not permanent. You have the option to either cancel your changes by clicking the cancel icon or to accept them by clicking the check mark. In addition to those options, you can also change your text in the Layers panel by adjusting the blend mode of the layer, the opacity, or by adding an effect to the text such as a drop shadow. Text can be moved and resized when the bounding box is activated. You can do this by either selecting the option at the top, which is Show Transform Control, or you can use the keyboard command, Command-T, for Edit Free Transform. From here you can either drag out the corner to stretch the text, resize the text while holding Shift to maintain proportions, or rotate the text by activating the Rotate tool by hovering over the corner anchor point. Naturally, you can move text freely with the Move tool. There is a difference between point text and paragraph text. What we have been using so far has been point text. Point text you can alter by manipulating the bounding box. Paragraph text is when you click, hold, and drag a text box area that pasted text will be placed in. The text box you create acts as a border for the text to flow through and will not go past the established edges. However, you cannot adjust the text within by manipulating the text box as you would for the point type tool. You would have to select the text as a whole, Command-A for Select All, and change it that way. Revisiting the Align tools, when working with paragraph text, you can see the difference between left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. These alignments will also be relative to your established text box borders. These are just the basics to understanding how to approach the Type tool in Photoshop. There are plenty of other interesting approaches for the Type tool, which I'd like to address in future videos. Thanks for watching.
Baby Yoda is driving through the night to find himself some chicken nuggies.